Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Travel Podcast, recording from Madison Square Park in New York City. This is near 23 Street Station, Uptown and Queens. I saw on the map a building called the Flatiron Building, and you could see some interesting architecture. This building seemingly being renovated. Other high building on this side, skyscraper over here, and looks like a church type building. You could see the clock and the top of it. On this side, more statues, as you have probably seen in a previous video I put from Union Square. This one is William Seward or Seward, Governor, U.S. Senate, Secretary of State. A little bit dark on this side, but hopefully you can see it here. And more buildings, many pigeons, people feeding birds, lots of seating, and some food for sale or drinks. Coming around, lots of buses, and an area over here with some spinning displays. There's lots to see in New York City. Coming back to the park area, another flag, not flying much. It was much windier earlier. See some more statues. This one is a military tribute. This says, an eternal light and inspiration and a promise of enduring peace. You can see some of the art and just a big flagpole. Going more into the park, can see a dog walking area or a dog relief area, perhaps, maybe both. It looks like a bit of a golf course or a small hill, mini golf. People walking dogs all throughout New York. It's cold outside, about 25 degrees Fahrenheit, but it won't stop me and certainly not stopping them. This is Small Dog Run, Jimmy's Dog Run. Lots of barking, lots of dogs interacting with one another. In the middle, this says Fixed Crane 2024. I'm not sure if it's meant to be art or it's just a display of an old crane, but you can see it anyway in the center. You can see various walking trails throughout in the park. You can see a play area, as I passed by several of these before. So they're doing something nice for the kids throughout New York City with a lot of different playgrounds and areas for exercise. As I'm walking, looks like a bit of a pit. Maybe this was a fountain at one point, or maybe still is, but the water is just not on in the winter. You can see this little bowl type area and maybe the water drain. Stay tuned for future videos. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Travel Podcast, recording in February of 2025. Signing off.